So this short video will show you how to make a cumulative frequency curve on the graphing calculator. Again, we're looking at this data that's talking about the number of guests in a hotel. It's in a hotel that has 80 rooms, and the proprietor counted the number of rooms being used every day and created this frequency table. So the first thing that we need to do is actually create another column of the cumulative frequency. And so I need to go into the stats. I'm going to edit. And here's the data that we have. The upper end number of rooms and the frequencies are in L2. In L3 now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to L3, and instead of adding across and over and down, I can just go up to L3. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to second list, because this is a list of values, right? And instead of having L3 here, I want a formula. So if I go second list and I go to operations that I can do in the list, you'll see that I have cumulative frequency as number 6. So I'm going to enter that, and now there's a parentheses here. It says, what do you want to find the sum of? Well, I want to find a sum of these frequencies here. So that's all recorded in L2. So I'll go second L2 and parentheses, and watch what happens when I hit enter. Voila, there are all my cumulative frequencies. 8 plus 11, 19, 19 plus 14, 33, and if we know that they looked at the data over 90 days, we should see that on the last row we have 90, which is what we would expect. So what we need to do next is we need to go to stat plot, because we want to look at a picture of this. Now remember, these are our x values in L1, and these now are our y values, L3. We're no longer interested in L2. So if I go second stat plot, go on, and I want to go down and have it be a continuous graph, not just the points, and I hit enter. Now it says, what is your x values? That's L1, but my y values are L3. So again now I need to go in and zoom stat. And voila, there is my cumulative frequency curve, and that looks like a regular cumulative frequency curve. It kind of slowly goes up, quickly goes up in the middle, and then tapers out at the end.